Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how I did this look. This is a Jennifer Winget look from a Beyhadh 2 promo. Some of you guys wanted a Beyhadh look, but the Beyhadh look was very simple and nude, which I keep doing in my channel. So I thought that I would do something really interesting. And as soon as I saw this picture on her Instagram, I was like, yeah, I have to do this. I actually loved this look. I love a black smoky eye and a nude lip anytime. Again, you can wear this look on Diwali. This will look gorgeous with any kind of outfit, any colored outfit I mean. Also guys, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and if you want to see how I did this look, then please keep watching. I'm going to prep my skin first, and I'm going to use this O.Two.O Rose Gold Elixir oil. I'm going to shake it a little and put 2 drops of it in my hand, and I'm going to press it on my skin. And it gives me a little bit of glow to start with. I'm not much into Hindi serials. I haven't seen even one episode of Beyhadh. But this is what you guys requested, and here it is. Next, I'm going to go for the primer, and I'm going to use this Maybelline Mast Prime. And I'm going to dot it all over my face, especially on areas where I have large pores like the cheek area. For foundation today, I'm going to use this Maybelline Fit Me, and I'm going to use the Real Technique sponge. So recently I've been following this page on Instagram. It's called The Good News Movement. They post good news from all over the world, like happy news from all over the world, and it really makes my day, because you hardly get to see anything like this these days, where it's all filled with bad news and stuff, which I really hate. So whenever I get up in the morning, the first thing that I check is the Good News Movement. It's amazing the effect it has on you, seeing happy news or reading happy news. It's amazing. You guys should follow it. The foundation's done, and I'm going to use this Elixir Pro Conceal HD concealer. I'm almost done with this. I have to order a new one. This is an amazing concealer. I love it. So I'm going to do a black smoky eye today, but ideally I should do my eyes first and then the face. But I can't do that. I just can't. I have to do my face first before I do my eyes. So many of you ask me, why do I use 2 concealers? The first one I use, which is the LA Girl one, is to hide my dark circles, because the salmon shade in it really helps to hide the dark circles. So the LA Girl one is really close to my skin shade. The next one is the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind. This one is a little lighter than my skin tone. I use this to lift my under eye area and to highlight that area. I don't use much, just a little bit. And then again blend it with my Real Technique sponge. So the concealer is done. Now I'm going to use the Bharat and Dorris loose powder. Since I'm going to work with dark shades today, I'm going to pack it under my eyes, just to save my base, because even if there is a little bit of fallout, the powder should catch it. So I'll just take my Body Shop Face and Body brush, pack it under my eyes. So I'm going to let it sit like that, and oh my god, there's powder on my hair and all over my dress. So I'm going to let it sit there till I'm done with my eyes. So I've taken some screenshots of her. I'm going to use a brown shade on my crease, so I'm going to use this Smashbox Covershot palette, and I'm going to use this shade right here. So this brown is a warm brown shade, which looks stunning on the crease as a transition shade. I'm going to apply it on my lower lash line as well. I'm back with the lens on, and so many of you ask me what brand it is. It is from Fresh Look, and the shade is Pure Hazel. For the base, I'm going to use this eyeshadow pencil, and I'm just going to apply it all over my lids. It's okay, you don't really have to be neat, because we're anyways going to blend it. Also on the lower lash line, you can use your brush or you can use your fingers. I'm going to use my fingers to blend this. Now I'm going to use this Lakme Eyeconic Kajal in the shade Deep Black and apply it close to the lash line. Like, it's going to be darker towards the lash line and lighter as we go near the eyebrows. Also do the same to the lower lash line. But don't put too much pressure, just a very, very light hand. Because we're going to top it up with an eyeshadow. And then I'm going to blend it with my fingers again. So now I'm going to go in with a black eyeshadow. I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution Flawless 4 palette. I'm going to use this black shade right here. And I'm using my Oriflame blending brush. Just bringing it out a little bit. And the eyeshadow look is really, really very messy, so I'm going to try and create that. And then also on the lower lash line. I just cleaned my blending brush with a tissue paper, and now I'm going to go back with this brown shade that I have on my crease. I'm just going to redo my crease just a little bit and blend everything together. And then I'm going to use this shade on my lower lash line. I just removed the excess powder. And now I'm going to take the Lakme Eyeconic Kajal in the shade Deep Black again. Just tightline my eyes and also apply it in my lash line. Now I'm going to curl my lashes and put on mascara. And the mascara I'm using is the L'Oreal Lash Paradise. So I just applied my lashes. A lot of you guys have been asking me what glue I use. I use the Ardell Duo, and for lashes I use the Nykaa one. This is the natural volume. I'll list everything in the description box below. So finally I'm done with my eyes. Now I'm going to do my eyebrows, and for my eyebrows I'm going to use this Sugar Arch Arrival Brow Definer. So for contouring I'm going to use this Elixir Pro Contour Powder. The brush I'm using is my Oriflame blush brush. For blush, I'm going to use this Master Blush Palette from Maybelline, and I'm going to use a combination of these three blushes. And I'm using this QVS blush brush. She has a very highlighted face, so for highlighter I think I'm going to use liquid highlighter, and this is the O.Two.O Custom Enhancer Drops. I'm just going to take it on my hand. I'm going to top it up with Makeup Revolution Pro Illuminate, and I'm just going to use a random fan brush. She's got a very peachy, nudie, very, very glossy lips. I'm going to apply this Lakme Enrich Lip Crayon in the shade Peach Magnet. The nude shade that I've been loving recently is the Banxeer one. This is in the shade number 03. And I absolutely love this. It dries off completely matte, but strangely it does not dry off your lips. And it stayed put on for more than 12 hours that day, and I did not even touch up once. Who else loves this sound? So while it's drying, I have noticed that almost 70% of the people who watch my videos are not subscribed to my channel. Guys, it means a lot to me. Please subscribe to my channel. This means a lot to me. If you like watching my videos, if you watch my videos regularly, please subscribe and click on the bell icon. When you're done watching this video, do not forget to subscribe. You can pause this video and click on the subscribe button right now. We're almost a family of 30K, so please support me by subscribing to my channel. If you really, really like watching my videos, now since it has dried matte and her lips are really, really glossy, I don't have a clear gloss because I prefer matte lips more than gloss. I'm going to turn this lip glossy by applying Vaseline. Okay, so here we are. We've reached the end of another marvelous video. Why wouldn't you subscribe to my channel? So I think we're done. So this is it. This is my finished makeup look. I hope you liked it, and if you did, then please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Also click on the bell icon so that you can be notified every time I upload any new video.
I guess you're back. Are you gonna tell me where you went? All the messages I sent with no reply. It's like that. You're just gonna walk into my room. I hate how you assume